Hi, I'm Brian LaGrasse, Public Health Director for the town of North Andover. I just wanted to talk a little bit about COVID-19, how it spread, and personal protection equipment, or PPE, that you can use to protect yourself and the people around you. As I'm sure you are aware, COVID-19 is a virus that causes a respiratory illness, and the virus is spread through respiratory droplets when a sick person coughs or sneezes. These respiratory droplets can become airborne and also land on hard surfaces. A sick person can also spread the virus by touching things with contaminated hands, such as doorknobs, and you can contract the virus by breathing in these droplets or touching a contaminated surface or doorknob with your hands and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. You can also contract the virus by eating with contaminated hands or gloves. That is why hand washing is so important in disease prevention. Another way to prevent disease transmission is by using personal protection equipment, or PPE, such as masks and gloves. Masks and gloves are very important but need to be used correctly. This is very important. Gloves and masks must be used and also removed correctly to be effective and safe. Gloves like these are disposable and meant for a single use or task. Wearing the same pair of gloves for multiple tasks may spread the virus around to several locations. For example, wearing a pair of gloves grocery shopping or going to the pharmacy is a great idea. It is also a single task. The gloves should be properly removed and properly discarded into the trash before your next task, such as getting into your car or eating something you just bought at the store. You should never ever touch your face with gloves on. You should never wear gloves while driving your car. Gloves can spread the virus from the store you were just in to everything you touch in your car. I would like to show you how to properly put on and take off a pair of disposable gloves. These are disposable gloves that most people wear around town, and they're very easy to use and put on and take off. You put them on. Once you put them on, your hands should be clean in the first place. Put the gloves on, check them, make sure there's no rips or tears or breaks in the gloves at all. Go about your tasks, do what you want to do for that single use. Grocery shopping, going to the store, such as that. So when you take the gloves off, consider them to be contaminated on the outside. The first glove you take off by pinching it on the outside and just pulling it off. Wrap that into the palm of your next glove. With your clean hand, you want to get underneath the other glove and pull it off and wrap the second glove around the first glove. This then you can throw away and discard in the trash. The next piece of PPE I want to discuss is the mask. There are very different types of masks out there, and they include an N95 respirator, a cloth mask of some sort, and a disposable surgical mask. An N95 respirator is a mask used by healthcare professionals, and they come in different sizes. To wear one of these masks, you must be sized and fit tested. These should be reserved only healthcare workers who are working with sick people. The other mask out there is a cloth or disposable surgical mask. These give you a little protection from contracting the virus. They may catch some of the bigger airborne droplets if someone coughs or sneezes near you. They also prevent you from touching your own face, nose, or mouth. Most importantly, one of these will prevent a sick person from spreading the virus and catching a lot of their respiratory droplets when they talk, cough, or sneeze. You always want to handle these masks by the ear loops or straps. Never touch the fabric or the front or back with your hands. This is very important, as this is where the virus can be trapped. You can then spread the virus to yourself or others by touching a mask there and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. You do not need to wear a mask if you are alone or driving your car. These are the different masks we have. This is an N95 mask that filters out particulates and is only worn by healthcare workers who are dealing with sick people day in and day out. This is another N95 that is actually created here in North Andover by Sogo Action downstairs. They use the 3D printer and they make these and have these for your use if you so choose. This is a disposable surgical mask that you can also wear, and these are the ear loops. And this is a reusable cloth mask that is made by somebody here in town. When you use these masks, you only put them on and take them off by the ear loops, just like this. Put them on, take them off, throw them away. so you don't contaminate your hands or your face. The health department did post PPE guidance on our website, and it was sent out on social media as well. If you want to take a look, go to our website and take a look. I want to thank you very much from the North Andover Health Department, and we hope you stay safe. Thank you.